Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and today I'm headed to Kyle, Texas. I'm with my friend Matthew. We got to move the BMW, then we're going to build the engine, and yeah, it's going to be a really effective day. It's currently 5 p.m., so it's going to be a really effective rest of the day. But I'm really excited. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe. We are reaching 250 subscribers here soon, and there's going to be a giveaway. There's going to be some bumper stickers, and at 500 subscribers, there's going to be a t-shirt. So if you guys are just stopping in for the first time, I really do invite you to subscribe. But without further ado, let's get right into today's video. You know, guys, we're stuck in traffic right now. It's pretty whack, but it's okay. We're going to keep pushing forward, just keep moving and surviving. We got the perseverance to finish the job, and we're gonna get there. Brake check. This dude. So we're officially saying goodbye to the BMW. I'm just trashing this entire build. Fuck this car. All jokes aside, guys, we're just loading it up and moving it a couple miles up the road. Okay, guys, so we got Johnny in the back. He's trapping in the back. We got Matt right here, and the car is in front of us. Y'all ever seen your car just get towed away? That's what's going on right now. This is not what I expected when I woke up this morning. So we got the Harmonic balancer puller. We're gonna pull the Harmonic balancer off so we can get the pre-existing cam out, put the new cam in.
This is the only way it's a bitch like this, because it's for a Chrysler. We can only do it till it bottoms out on the bolt, then we gotta like hammer it the rest of the way off.
That ain't nothing.
But I got a fucking mallet.
Hey, shouldn't we undo this bolt?
Nah, you can't take the cover off till you take off the...
Harmonic balancer puller.
Oh,
I can see it sliding out too.
Yeah, it's coming out. You know that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right here.
No. Push it down. There. Yeah, see, it's coming out pretty.
Alright guys, and so we finally got the Harmonic balancer off and the little timing chain cover. You got your timing chain right here and your oil pump just beyond it. Wow, it's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie about that, it's very clean. Cleaner than I expected. Just behind this gear right here is gonna be our camshaft. Okay, let's go and peek in on it right there. Hey, you ready to cam this engine, bro?
We're gonna cam it right now.
We're gonna cam it, bro. We're gonna cam ram it, bro.
Let's see what this cam looks like. See what's not all fucked up.
Yeah, hopefully not. About to pull this stock camshaft out. We already timed the motor, and I'm pretty excited. We're gonna see how effed up this current cam is, if at all. Jonathan's just putting in the retaining bolts, and then we're gonna do the honors.
The hard. Yeah, the bearings are pretty fucking good.
Looks like I'm about to sell that cam for 90 bucks.
Still looks good.
Yeah, it does.
There's a little bit of metal shavings when that piston blew up.
That ain't nothing.
But it didn't fuck up any of the...
Oh, right there. It ain't
the
too
lobes.
bad.
Nah, I bitch is straight. We'll sell it as a stock.
Little money saving trick, guys. Rent your Harmonic balancer puller. There's no reason to buy it. Save yourself the money. I just did this for free. I was doing it for free regardless, but
not really traded the motor and transmission and rims.
that's true. But the rims and motor and transmission I couldn't run anyways, yeah. So
it just happened to work out. We were on the same page.
for real. So we just finished pulling the cam. We're headed back to AutoZone so I can get my money back. Got Matt still driving and Johnny still in the back. We're really trapping out here. Got the Harmonic balancer puller right here. It was pretty quick. I hope you guys enjoyed that little time lapse. There's going to be more time lapse today in today's video anyways, but yeah, just. So we covered up the car just because it's going to be sitting under this tree for a little bit and I don't want any sap on it. But we're going to head back to Johnny's house and we're building this engine. You ready, bro?
Let's do it.
Hell yeah, I'm going to shave your beard too.
My pubes.
Hell yeah, his pube face. Pube face, ooh ah.
Poop face.
Pooh man.
Motherfucker.
So this is the pre-existing cam and this is the new cam. Look at how thin these lobes are compared to the new lobes. You got lobes out the ass, guys. So pretty excited. It's gonna sound really good.
I don't put lobes in my ass.
That's why it's gonna be lobes out the ass.
Oh, they'll stick out my ass either.
Look at that genuine smile.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in.
Alright guys, so the new cam is in there. It's playing peekaboo right there. We're cleaning the timing chain cover right now. Then we're actually gonna end up painting it. So yeah, we got all the big stuff off as far as oil is concerned. And we're just getting all that little grease and grime off real quick. Also cleaned up that oil pump and verified that it is good to go. That oil pump right there. So yeah. So right now we're soaking the lifters in some oil, get them all lubed up and whatnot. We got the new lifter trays, these hydraulic roller lifter trays over here. So it's gonna be prime, guys. It's gonna be pretty prime. Shout out to Muse for being an extra cameraman right here. I'll board Matt. We also did end up cleaning off this valve cover. We're gonna prime it and then paint it. So we're applying a clear coat so that this flake doesn't go away. And honestly, dude, it looks so good. The video is just not going to do this much justice, but it looks so good. Wow, just wow. Just ended up cleaning this and made sure that it's all good to go because this is also getting painted. So, yeah. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is sexy. So we now got the hydraulic roller lifters in with the hydraulic roller lifter trays, and they're all bolted down. You guys can see just the bolts on. Now we're putting these head gaskets on. Then we're going to put the heads, the head nuts, the oil pan retaining nuts, and the valve covers and whatnot. This is looking prime. Wow. Okay guys, so this is the last time this head is going on this motor until I blow it. So that's it. The engine's officially built. We're gonna just leave it there. Yeah, no, we're gonna actually leave this here and then just drive off. Wow guys, so I got the new timing chain cover on. It is looking mean. Look at these valve covers though. Oh man. Just, so now we're going to torque down these heads. As you can see, we got the ARP head bolts in there. As you guys can see, this engine is just about fully built. So what we did today is we installed these heads. They're all the way torqued down. We installed the intake manifold. We got the new head gaskets on. We got the valve covers on right here. We got the rod knock sensors. They are in, and I mean, everything's pretty much in. We got the new hydraulic roller lifters, and we got the cam in. So basically this engine is just about done. The only thing that I have left to do is I got to put the push rods in, and that's going to happen off camera, but it is looking phenomenal. I hope you guys like this flake inside the paint right here. There's a clear coat over it. It's looking phenomenal. I'm super happy with what came out of today, and we ended up moving the BMW to a better location. So there's tons of progress, nothing but progress, and I couldn't be happier. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below for what you want to see in future videos. I'm Cameron, this is my newly built engine, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.